Hey guys, how you doing? Tonight or today, whatever, I got a K'NEX squat truck. And I put a little antenna on it. So how do you like this truck I have? Very nice. But I'll show you what it looks like squatted. Hold on, let me, there we go. Squatted it. So, can I please get 50 subscribers, please, guys? And I'm sorry I haven't been making another game video, but I got another one. The game's called Off for All, so I'm gonna make it tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, so keep subscribing, please, and I'll make more game videos. Subscribe and like. Bye.